Regular cleaning not only removes dirt and grime, but also helps prolong the life of the mats. Here are several simple and easy methods you can use to clean rubber floor mats at home. Dish soap breaks down grease and dirt, making rubber floor mats easier to clean. It also helps keep the mat flexible and prevents damage. Firstly, wash the floor mat with a pressure washer and spray soapy water on it. Leave it for a few minutes. Then, scrub the mat with a brush attached to a drill for the best results. Next, wash the mat again with the pressure washer. Dry the mat with a cloth. Finally, spray a vinegar and water solution on the mat to remove residue and odors. You will get amazing results. Borax powder helps break down dirt and grime, making it easier to clean rubber floor mats. It also acts as a deodorizer, neutralizing unpleasant odors. Wash the floor mat with water and sprinkle borax powder on all surfaces. Then, take a bristle brush and scrub it on the mat to remove dirt and grime. You will see the dirt come off. Wash the mat again and soak up the excess water with a microfiber towel. Take another cloth and dry the mat with it. Finally, pour some olive oil on a cloth and apply it to the mat for shine. With this method, your floor mat will look new again. Floor mat cleaners remove dirt, stains, and smells from rubber mats without harming them. They also help keep mats in good condition for a longer time. Chemical Guy's rubber and vinyl floor mat cleaner effectively removes dirt, grime, and stains from rubber and vinyl mats. It is specially designed to clean without damaging the rubber or vinyl material. It helps maintain the original look and texture of rubber and vinyl mats. So, by using given method and techniques, you can clean rubber floor mats at home.